Good afternoon, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. We're inside the house today, and I wanted some lunch. So I decided to make some zucchini fritters. As you know, my plants have been producing like crazy, and I needed a way to do something with them. So I'm going to show you how I make them. Let's get started. So here we have two grated zucchinis. I added salt to them and let them sit for a while so the salt could help the zucchini release some of their liquid. And then I got some paper towels and squeezed the remaining liquid out of them. We have a cup of flour, we have an egg, we have Nuno's Cajun seasoning, we have some Parmesan cheese, garlic, onion powder, pepper, and Azil all-purpose seasoning. I'm gonna go ahead and mix this up and show you how I do it. And then we're gonna fry it in a little bit of vegetable oil in my cast iron skillet here. So I'm going to take some Parmesan cheese, no particular measurement or anything like that, and I'm going to sprinkle it into the zucchini. I'm going to take the garlic and do the same thing. Onion powder and the remaining of the seasonings. Gonna crack the egg and put it in. And we're gonna take about half of the flour. This is a 1 cup of flour. And we're going to mix everything together. The batter should be kind of thick. Okay, I think I got it to the consistency that I wanted. Okay. Oil should be ready. So what I'm going to do next is take a spoon and drop a spoonful of the mixture into the oil. Okay, we have 5 in there, and we're going to let them get golden on one side and then flip them over and get golden on the other side. We're back and we're getting ready to take out some more. I have my flame on low. These cook rather quickly. So we have two remaining in the pan, and we're waiting for these to finish cooking, and then I can have my lunch. Now, the recipe says that you can use as a dipping sauce, sour cream or mayonnaise, and or you can eat them by themselves. So I'm going to try by myself, eating it without any sour cream or anything like that to see how it tastes, and we'll go from there. Not bad. So here are my fritters, and from the one that I ate, I enjoy it. I'll be making this recipe quite a few more times during the summer. They're filling, and I like it. If you enjoy this type of material, me in the kitchen cooking, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and I'll be sure to reply. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of food for myself and my family and cook it by myself, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the like button and the notification bell on so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Chances are, if you like my content, your family and friends will also. So until next time, always give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Stay strong, stay blessed, and grow, grow, grow.